Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and I found another little gem. Let me get to it and we'll get going. Okay, there's a Bible verse. Well, here. This is titled Rejoice in the Rich Treasures of His Grace. And thou shalt rejoice in every good thing which the Lord thy God hath given unto thee, and unto thine house, thou and the Levite and the stranger that is among you. Deuteronomy 26:11. Thanksgiving and praise should be expressed to God for temporal blessings and for whatever comfort He bestows upon us. God would have every family that He is preparing to inhabit the eternal mansions above give glory to Him for the rich treasures of His grace. Were children in the home life educated and trained to be grateful to the giver of all good things, we would see an element of heavenly grace manifest in our families. Cheerfulness would be seen in the home life, and coming from such homes, the youth would bring a spirit of respect and reverence with them into the schoolroom and into the church. There would be an attendance in the sanctuary where God meets with His people, a reverence for all the ordinances of His worship, and grateful praise and thanksgiving would be offered for all the gifts of His providence. I just thought that was profound, that whatever happens in your home gets carried out into the world naturally. And so it's like almost a must to be thankful and grateful, and to give the honor to God. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.